Hi, Eileen Veilleux, the PM here. Welcome to another My Therabox unopening. Let's see what this month's Therabox is. Now, this is from May's Therabox, obviously, because June is not here. And as you can see, I have not opened this yet either. So the first thing that's coming in the box, and let me tell you, this box was quite heavy this time, is it's My Therabox's 4th anniversary. Happy anniversary, My Therabox. And inside this package, it shows you everything in the pictures, in the description of everything that's in the My Therabox. Now, the My Therabox is created and made by mental health therapists itself, so it's excellent box. It is just for ladies, though. But for all you ladies out there, this is a beautiful self-care subscription box. As you can see, if you've seen my other videos, it is jam-packed with stuff, and I do use a lot of this stuff. And just for those that are new to my channel, maybe, before we continue, let me just remind you that if I have the same thing or similar to the same thing, you may get some of these in my very own mystery box that I am going to be giving away. And the very first thing is birthday cake baby butter. That's the first thing in the box. We're going to put that over there. And we're going to look at this. Oh, this is awesome, guys. Scented mini balms. Now, I'm going to take it out and open it up so everybody can see it. I mean, they have awesome stuff every month, guys. And as you can see, there's just small little balms. Different ones. This one is, I can't see what scent it is. That's the only thing with me, guys. I can't read the scent, only because of my eyesight. It's called Happy. The second one in here is Focus. De-stress, escape, and sleep. And here's your little scent book on it that tells you everything. And this is what it looks like with all them scents in there. That is awesome, guys. I love it. So we're going to put that right next to that one. And we're going to see what else we have in this box this month. Ooh. The next thing we have, my box ripped when I picked it up. It's called Moxie. Clarifying Red Clay Mask with French clay. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. And this is a Moxie. And guys, these are, if you can see, they are sealed. So you know it's not somebody's used stuff. These are brand new, excellent items. And they put different items in each month. Now the next thing in the box is Your Future Skin Awaits You with melted honey. It's handmade, heart-made, homemade. Exfoliate and hydrate honey sugar scrub. Guys, that's an excellent thing. I make my own scrubs, and let me tell you, I use them. And I've had people ask me, how come my skin is so soft when theirs is dry? And using the sugar scrubs, is one reason why, because that takes off all your dead skin. That's why it's called exfoliating. Now we're going into here to get another thing. OBC Skin Zesty Modern Hand Sanitizer. And it says clean. So that's what it looks like, and there's the back. Nice little thing to carry in your pouch or your purse for when you're going out and you gotta touch things like, you can wash your hands in the restroom, guys. But let me tell you, you still have to touch that knob. So even if you wash your hands aren't sanitized. So the best thing to do is carry something like this with you. You open the door, you spray a little on your hand, you rub, you kill your germ. That's when that's good. Now the other thing we have in here is called Canologica Facial Hydrating Oil. And you can see that's what this is. So lots of good stuff like always every month, guys. Oh, look it, ladies. Many Petty Fizzles, 25 milligram naturally occurring CBD per fizzy. Awesome. And you can see the fizzy balls there. I'm going to get spoiled this month. And on the very bottom, take all that off. There's a beautiful poetry book called In the Heart of the Light, filled with just poems, and a lot of people like poems and reading poems. Who knows? I might put that in. Let's see if make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope, that's it for this box, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these. The description of this will be in, where you can get this will be in the description. You can go to cratejoy.com or mytherapybox.com. And remember, they have awesome subjects. Let me leave you with this before we go, to remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes. Because what really matters, the eyes can't see. Only the heart can. So until I see you again, I love you. Take care, everybody.